Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to turn off vibration and haptic feedback on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL, any other Pixel device running the latest Android 16 version. By default, turn on the vibration for the all settings on your device. Like when you tap on your screen, on your Pixel device screen, when you typing on your keyboard. So if you want to turn off this vibration, follow this tutorial. Open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app. Now scroll down. Tap on a sound and vibration option on your pixel device. Tap on it. Here, scroll down and you can find the vibration and haptics option. Tap on it. Now here you can see by default enable ring vibration. Here you can enable the vibrate first, then ring gradually. So toggle on this option if you want to increase the ring gradually. Turn if you want to vibrate first. Also notification vibration, alarm vibration, adaptive vibration. By default, turn off these. Automatically adjust your phone's vibration based on the environment, like when it's in a pocket or a loud place. So you can use this feature also. Use adaptive vibration if you don't want to regularly use vibration on your device. Also, you can see the interactive haptics, which is the most important in any pixel device. Very haptic feedback, touch feedback, or media vibration you want to use. Also, enable the keyboard vibration. So whenever you type or open the keyboard, you can feel the vibration on your device. So if you want to turn off the keyboard vibration, toggle off this option. Turn off the keyboard vibration. So if you want to turn off the notification vibration, turn off the alarm vibration, just toggle off this toggle button on your device to turn off the vibration and haptics on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL device, or you can individually share the vibration you want on your Pixel 10 series. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.